Hello and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, or really it's just a package. It's like a DVD package. It's Davinci Resolve 14 Studios. I ordered a Davinci Resolve 15 from Scan and they sent me this. So I was a little bit disappointed, so I phoned them up. They assured me it would upgrade to 15. I said, but will it upgrade to 16? You know, if I've ordered 15, I'll get 15. That probably upgrade to 16 free. I don't know. I mean, I might be totally wrong. They said that is 15. It's 14 as well, and it just does the upgrade to 15. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt because you know, I wanted this, and the reason I bought this rather than just have the free one because there's some features on it on the paid version that will enhance my videos, if you like, give them a bit more class. So I quite like some of the options. I tried to do one the other day and it wouldn't let me do it because you've got to pay for the upgrade. So you've got to pay for the pro version. So I bought this. I've been playing about this for a couple of weeks now. Not the paid version, the free one. And yeah, it's quite nice. It's quite good. I tried Adobe Pro. Struggled with that quite a bit because obviously, well, maybe not obviously, but I've never done video editing until I started making my YouTube videos. So and it started with a Movie Maker and then moved up to this. So I'm going to shut up now and I thought I'd just show you what you're going to get for your money in case you're interested in buying it. So I'll quickly show you around the package. So that's the front of it and there's the back, obviously. See that? So yeah, Davinci Resolve 14 Studio. I'll do the unboxing. Got my little knife out. That was the other thing I said because if I open it, obviously they'll say, "Oh well, you've opened it," you know. But he assures me if I'm not happy and it hasn't got everything I want it on, then I'm going to be sending it back. And he said that's fine because now I'll contact them, of course. Get out of the little bag. Don't get beat by the bag. There you go. So it's open. Kept all the packaging just in case. Oh, it's got a little flip. Oh, there you go. See that? Oh, see that? And there should just be a dongle in there to allow me to run it, or allow me to run the pro version, which it has, and it's moved. So obviously it didn't stay in its packaging. So I'll put it back. So it comes with a dongle, which is that. So it comes in there. That should have been in there, but it wasn't. It fallen out. But there you go. So that's quite nice. Not sure what it's a memory card of some sort. Yep. Or is it just a piggyback? Says Davinci Resolve Studios. Batman software and manual. So there's software in the manual. So obviously you get software in the manual, which I don't need because I've already downloaded it. But it's handy to have. I can do all the upgrades. This is what we want to see. Yeah, I've got it for like I said, from Scan. It cost me £250. It says Resolve on there. So it's just a USB stick. Or dongle, as they called it. Looks quite nice. Just hope it does the job. So I just wanted to show you and share that moment with you. So like I said, I was a little bit disappointed because it said 14, I wanted 15. So if you're watching Scan, you know, make sure you advertise it properly. It's not on that. Or make sure you put in there, you know, that if you buy this, it will be 14, you get the upgrade to 15. So it lacks in information. I don't think they're trying to con me, but that was and the reason I bought from Scan because it was £50 cheaper than anywhere else. Amazon was, you know, just under £300, and you know this was £250, not cheap at any cost, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly share this moment with you. So hopefully I'll be doing all my movies on this, and hopefully they'll be getting better and more exciting for you. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. It'd be interesting to see what you think, especially on the comments about, you know, has Scan misled me or anything like that. You know, I'm not. I spoke to him on the phone, so I'm not too upset about it. Otherwise, I would have just sent it back. So we're going to give it a try. If it doesn't upgrade to the 15, it's definitely going back. And that's it. So like I said, any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like them, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.